In 2123, a century from now, we'll all be buried alongside our families and friends. Strangers will inhabit the houses we work tirelessly to obtain. And someone else will possess everything we own today. Most of our belongings will be donated, discarded, or destroyed, including the car we invested a fortune in. Our descendants will barely know us, they won't even remember our names. Consider this: how many of us know the father of our own grandfather? After we pass, we may be remembered for a few years. But eventually, we'll become nothing more than a portrait on someone's wall. Decades later, our stories, photos, and actions will fade into the oblivion of history, leaving behind no trace. If we take a moment to ponder these questions, we might realize the futility of worrying about the majority of things that occupy our minds each day. Such reflection could lead to a change in perspective, allowing us to live more freely and fully embrace the life we're given. Carry this thought with you throughout your days, weeks, and years. And remember the old adage, if it won't matter in 5 years, don't waste even 5 minutes fretting over it today. As we navigate through the moments of our lives, let's remember the fleeting nature of existence, and the importance of cherishing every precious moment. I hope this reflection stays with you as you embark on the week ahead. May it inspire you to prioritize what truly matters, and find joy in the simplest of pleasures. Have a wonderful week ahead. Until next time, take care, and make every moment count.